I'm sure all of you have tried out different numerous productivity methods, websites, apps, but still can't manage to track and manage your life as a student. So I have used many and tried them out. I realized that there are three that I need. The first one is Notion, second is a Todoist app, and last one is just a calendar. Can be Google Calendar or iPhone Calendar. So I will share with you my Notion template and how I manage my studies. This is the Notion template that I've created. And yeah, so first of all is your student dashboard with your date, a quote that I written, a calendar for you, daily important tasks. So this is like your priorities. So let's say your priorities is focusing on this, and then you write them down. And then there's also added a Spotify playlist so that you can add your own one, and a weekly to-do list and a monthly to-do list. So these are like the exam and study schedules you can write. So there's this very cool thing here, which is your day, and it's a very cool feature, I guess. And then there is the today to-do list. But there's different thing like school fitness habit tracker. So for habit tracker, it's very simple. It's just tracking your good habits. Fitness is like gym or exercising. So for me, I use it for a gym. I create it for what I would do in badminton and what is my weekly schedule that I'll write inside. Okay. Then just say if I want to like track my studies, what I would do is I will go to school. Okay. I'll go to school, and yeah, this is all my subjects that I have. Let's say this is math for me. You can change the subject if you want. Medicine, music, computer, econs. So and then this is your weekly course schedule, like which day what subject you're going to focus on. Okay. So and you can just write your to-do list down for your study. This wraps it up, and this is very simple thing that I've used to really help me track my system a lot. And for this, I'll give it away to you all for free because I do believe that this will help everyone. You can just duplicate it on the right hand here corner and use it to your own advantage and start acing some lessons